Thank you for tuning in to this quick tutorial on outputting data from Orbit GCS. The first step you will of course want to take is setting up your probes with the software pack, and that can be taught using other tutorials. Going to data output, you'll actually want to click menu, part, and then go to logging. And if you'll see, there's a log mode. Right now it's on none, but you can do a fixed count, or for example, if you want to do 20 or just 30 samples, you can use that particular one. But for now, we'll just use continuous. Then for data logging, you can also set the path. And here, if you'll see, we're just going to save it to an Orbit GCS data file. Now you can also prompt for a file name, which is an option there. And we'll show you that in a second. And also, you can actually format the layout in terms of how you want the data sheet to be, in terms of the dimensions, the readings, that sort of thing. And of course you have, you can write the log file into the header section. That's just in terms of the log file itself. And then if you're using peak plus or peak minus, you can actually reset it when you do the log start, as shown there. So then once you are set, let's take some data. So here we're just going to start log. And as you see, there's the file name. Just click start. And now we're just going to trigger about 15-20 samples. Click stop log. Now first, you can actually view the data within the software package itself. Just go back to part and then go to view logs. And there's the data saved there along with timestamp and the other settings. You can also export from here if you so choose. But then we're just going to go into Windows, and if you'll see, there's the file saved from the Orbit GCS software. And if you open this, you'll see you'll have the file name, you'll have the settings, and then here's all the data here, which you can choose to manipulate or analyze with SBC, if you so like. So that concludes this tutorial. Again, all tutorials for Orbit GCS are online on the Solartron YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a good day.